Hi, good day. Now, I'm going to show you how I love Mother Earth. So, what you're waiting for? Let us find it out. Environmental science has two words. Environment means it is the surroundings of the world, and science is a systems of knowledge which concerns about nature and its natural phenomena.
It also gives us more awareness of what is happening in our environment. Republic Act 10176 served as Arbor Day Act of 2012. It says we need to plant a tree, even one in a year.
So for now, we have these seedlings to be planted, and it will become a tree someday. These are not a tree in the future. And those are the plants or the seedlings that you have seen are the coming tree for the future.
Clean Water Act.
The Philippine Water Clean Act of 2004, under the Republic Act of 9275, it says to preserve the water clean, especially in the water streams, rivers, and even falls.
Forms of energy.
Solar panel as form of electrical energy. One of the electricity source power here in Negros Oriental.
Climate change.
Global warming is the result of climate change. It's so hot today. Oh no, what's wrong?
Oh no, there's gonna rain. Oh, rain.
Environmental awareness. There will be landslide if we continue to cut trees. Rock will fall apart. That may harm to us. Good health and well-being. We must be vaccinated for antivirus.
Finiteness. The beauty of our environment is quietly so great. And you know what? This beauty will continue to grow, and many people, especially our future generation, will become beneficiary for this beauty. Interconnectedness. Human is connected to plants, like they give an oxygen and man give feeds on plants as an photosynthesis. But for now, as what we have seen, we have the cutting trees or the woods that can be used as a tool for making food. We do a material reproduction by recycled materials. Like for example, this one. We have an electrical wire. So make it a basket using this wire. And it will be using as materials to be put some mangoes. And we also make for the apple. Now, as what you have seen, this place is in Blessing Farm, which may have more knowledge about agriculture. As what you have seen, these are the Agricultural Training Institute to We can say they will be educated on how to become a proper steward in our mother. Earlier, there are lots of things that we need to do in order to preserve and reserve for the future mankind. Just follow what we did. We need to do amendment, a change, a new steps to make a better future. Perhaps you might see that we have a lot of wrong practices, but it is not late. We can do
Green life.
instead of using plastic bags, like we will gonna as an eco bag. So this is the proper way of disposing our waste materials. So according to Republic Act 9003, that there is a waste management act that teaches us how to segregate or the proper disposal of our waste materials. Like for example, there are lots of plastics bottles. So we segregate them. Goodbye for now. Remember, what you are today is what you are tomorrow. So what are you waiting for? Start a new beginning. Thank you. Once again, this Wally Pacifico says cleanliness is next to godliness. Thank you. Make a better, but it is not too late. We can do a new. We will make cleanliness in our surroundings.
Water. And this is river. And this is Bold Explorer.